This is how to use NotebookLM for VoiceOver. From your dashboard, create a new notebook. Then add resources, or you can upload your files, add YouTube links, or sync your drive. For this guide, I will upload a file. So this will be my script. Then go to Studio Panel, and you can see here Audio Overview. Click this icon right here. Then choose a format. We will use brief. Then we will add our prompt right here. This will be create a professional narrator style voice over. And just click generate. And wait for the audio to be generated. Then your voice over is ready, and you can download it by clicking this three dots and just click download. You can even play this one by just clicking this play button. So this is how to use NotebookLM for VoiceOver.